26 Indians were killed in Pahalgam, Jammu Kashmir in an attack reportedly carried out by Pakistan based terrorists. After the attack, there were several news updates, and ISIS News too released videos on the issue. If you missed watching this, you can watch them here. The tension between India and Pakistan is not just threats given to each other, but a lot more dangerous than that. It is worrisome for both countries. I'll tell you why. India exports rice, tea powder, and pharma drugs. Pakistan has been partly importing this directly from India. However, Pakistan has been sneakily importing Indian goods through third party countries like the UAE. The Indian agencies has been aware about this. After the attack, the Indian government announced a ban on all trade, including export of rice, tea powder, etc., with Pakistan. India has also stopped trading with Pakistan through third party countries. Pakistan is worried as its economy relied a lot on this supply route. Exporting from other countries is expensive for their economy, and India's trade ban is causing a loss of rupees 80,000 crore to Pakistan. However, India has had enough and is fed up of the frequent attacks. With the recent attack, India said enough and broke all trade ties with Pakistan. However, Pakistan said it is not fair as it was a terrorist attack and they were not involved. But according to India, war is different, but India is using economics as a weapon in war. Let's see how this affects the lives of ordinary Pakistani people. A Pakistani ranger was caught crossing the Rajasthan border into India. Indian soldiers quickly caught him and now are trying to find out the reason he entered India. People are worried if he is a spy or in India for a reason. He hadn't entered India by mistake. However, surprisingly, Pakistan authorities did not request for his release or issue any statement regarding the same. Indian government would send him back if Pakistan requests for it. Remember, ISIS News had released a video about PK Singh, a BSF Jawan, accidentally crossed the border near Firozpur, Punjab, and was caught by the Pakistani Rangers. Even after many protests and official requests from India, Pakistan has not responded, leaving the Indian authorities surprised. 40-year-old Singh's pregnant wife recently met BSF officers in Firozpur and asked what they were doing to bring her husband back. BSF officers told the wife that they have already written to Pakistani authorities, but there is no response. When a Pakistani soldier crossed the border on purpose and was treated with rules and respect. Similarly, when an Indian soldier crossed the border by mistake, but Pakistan did not follow the rules and nor showed any mercy, this is violation of rules. India respectfully is ready to send back the Pakistani soldier, but Pakistan does not respond. This is worrisome. In Pakistan occupied Kashmir, that is POK, there were over 1,000 madrasas, religious schools. These madrasas were suddenly shut down by the Pakistan authorities. According to Indian intelligence, these schools, instead of teaching religious things, they were training children for jihad. Children were shown videos of violence and were brainwashed into believing that these violences were against Pakistan. They were told they would be heroes if they were ready to fight against India. Teenagers are being brainwashed, taught how to fight and how to aim and shoot using the rifle. If this is true, it's terrifying and terribly wrong. Classrooms becoming war rooms is too shameful for Pakistan. However, unlike other times involving children, there are no protests about this from the global human rights group. Why? A video of a man jumping in a river, trying to swim and eventually drowning is going viral. Let me tell you what the video is about. The Indian army suspected a man from Jammu Kashmir being an aide of the terrorists during the attacks. After about 4 days of hiding, the man was caught. During the questioning, he told the police that he gave food and logistics to terrorists to hide. The accused agreed to lead the security forces to the terrorists' hideout in the forest. The next morning, the accused was leading the army to raid the hideout. The accused, in a bid to flee when there were no one around him, he ran and jumped into the river, thinking he would swim across. When he jumped into the river, he tried to swim but was carried away by the strong water current and drowned. After the news went viral, people blamed the army of causing the death of the man. The army said that they should not be wrongly blamed for the man's unfortunate death as the man was trying to flee, jumped into the river, and drowned due to the strong currents. The army also said that they should not be blamed and that they had the entire incident video recorded. The security forces have condemned those who are spreading misinformation. The next incident is about former Pakistan's Prime Minister Imran Khan, who, as you all are aware, is in jail on various charges. Recently, a shocking news went viral which claimed that Imran Khan was raped inside jail. Is the viral news true? The answer to this is no. He was not raped. The fake report shows the medical of Imran Khan done by Pak Emirates Military Hospital. In reality, Imran Khan's medical examination was conducted by Pakistan Institute of Medical Sciences and not by PMH. The medical test had nothing to do with rape. The news is entirely fake. Things are taking interesting turns and strange news are getting viral.